The good news is you cannot check your NECO results yourself using your phone without going to a cyber cafe or looking for any assistance. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can easily check your NECO result. Before we go into that, I want to let you know that there are certain information that are needed for you to check your NECO result. Number one is your NECO examination number. Of course, you need your NECO examination number. And number two is your token. Now, this NECO token is like the WAEC scratch card pin. NECO uses token while WAEC uses scratch card pin, and you have to purchase this token before you will be able to check your result. Unlike the WAEC pin that is over 3,000 naira, this NECO token is actually cheaper because you can get it for less than 1,500 naira. And the major challenge most students get with checking their NECO result is actually getting this pin. But by the time you finish watching this video, you will get a complete understanding on how you can get this pin. And if for any reason you need me to help you purchase this pin, I can do that for you easily. So let's go into this video proper. Now, the first thing you need to do is to actually visit the NECO result checker portal, which is results.neco.gov.ng. Now, you don't need to start cramming this URL here. You would see the link in the description of this video. Now, when you visit this link using your phone, whether Android or iPhone, at the bottom you are going to see where it is written create account here. You will click on create account here. When you click on create account here, and you'll be taken to the next page that says you should enter your details. So make sure you enter your first name, your last name, your email address and your phone number correctly, and also enter a password. Now, this password you have to enter it 2 times for confirmation, and make sure that whatever password you are entering is something you can easily remember. When you enter your personal details, you cannot click on create account. Now, immediately you click on create account, you see a message that says you successfully created an account, and a message will be sent to your email address. Well, the information that will be sent to your email address is not of important because you don't need to actually activate your NECO portal. So after you do this, the next stage will be for you to now log in using the email address and the password you just created. After you log in, the next thing you would see is for you to purchase this token. Now, don't be scared because you can actually purchase this token yourself. Now, at this point in time, you have to click on purchase token. Now, when you click on this purchase token, you will now get to the next page that says buy token. So in this buy token, you will see 1. That is the number of tokens you need to purchase. In this page, you are going to see number of tokens, which is 1 by default. So this 1 actually means the number of tokens you need. So if you are checking your result for yourself, you just need 1 token. But if maybe you want to check for your friend, you can purchase 2 tokens. But I'm assuming you want to check for your result yourself, so you have to click on 1 token. Now, when you click on proceed, you'll be taken to the remitter page because the purchase is actually on remitter. So you enter your card details, which is safe. If for adventure you're having any difficulty with this remitter page, or you don't really have an ATM card for this purchase, or skeptical about the whole process, you can reach out to me in the number on the screen, to purchase the token, and I will send it to you as soon as possible. After you finish purchasing the token, you'll be taken back to the NECO portal. Now, on this portal, on the top of your phone screen, you're going to see dashboard. Click on that dashboard. When you click on the dashboard, you're going to see a drop down menu, and what you need to do at this point is to actually click on my token. When you click on my token, you are going to see the token that you've purchased, and you will have to scroll to the right. Just scroll to the right, you will now see check your results. So if, for example, I'm helping you get this token, you will not need to click on my token. You just have to click on my check result. When you click on that check result, you will now see a space where you have to enter the token number that I'm going to provide you with. But if you are going to purchase the token yourself, go to my token. You're going to see a token which is your scratch card pin. Then you click on check result. When you click on check result, the token automatically would be in the space for that token. Then you select your examination year and your examination type, and you enter your exam registration number. After you do this, you can now click on check results. Immediately you click on check result, you are going to see your NECO results. So I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and if peradventure you have any difficulties, you need assistance with purchasing the pin or anything related to NECO results or admission generally, feel free to let me know in the comments and I will definitely assist you. I wish you success with your result. For now, it is bye bye, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel.